So I get a lot of DMs on Instagram and also a lot of comments that bhaiya, is Thapar University worth it, because we are already paying a huge amount of fees and it's also a private college, and of course it's not as great as the government colleges, so is it worth it? So I'll just try to share some insights with you. So basically Thapar University is not a new institution, it's a quite old institution and it has a legacy of more than 60 years. So basically Thapar University was opened in 1956, and of course it's quite an old institution, and the alumni network is also quite great. So overall it has a rich history, but also it's a private college now. Earlier it used to be a government college, but now it's a private college, and of course the reputation of private colleges is not much great in India, because the fees is quite high and the placements and all other statistics are not much great as compared to other government colleges. So is it worth it? So basically the answer is simple. If you are getting a government college, and if you are getting a great government college or a great place or great branch in government college, of course there is no meaning of just joining any private colleges, because of course the government colleges provide you with lots of opportunities, and of course the placements and all other things are also great there, so you just don't have to come to any other private college. But if you don't have any choice and you just have to come at private college only because you're not left with any choice, so Thapar University is quite great as compared to other colleges. And so Thapar University is quite great in terms of private college, and not just Thapar University but Manipal and VIT are also great, so you can just choose from yourself. Of course every college has its pros and cons. So talking about Thapar University, of course it's a private college, but because it's a private college, so the system is quite better than the system in government colleges, so we can just understand that. And if I talk about the teachers, so when I was in 12th class, I used to hear from our teachers that the teachers in colleges are so rude and they just don't care about the students, and they just come, give the lectures and just go. So that's quite true for government colleges, but in Thapar University I would say that teachers are good, they're not bad. Of course some teachers are quite strict, and they all have their, you can just say, ego as well, but most of the teachers are good, and many of the teachers are even like your school, and many of the teachers are just like your school teachers. They care for students and they just hear you and they just help you in anything, so you can just say that. And of course Thapar University has fee concerns, because the fees is quite high. It's around 2 to 2.5 lakhs per semester, and if you talk about the scholarships, it's also not easy to get a scholarship at Thapar University on the basis of your CGPA, because the competition is very high, and of course the students are also large in number. So but overall, if you are comparing it with private colleges, it's actually a good college, and the placement record is also quite great compared to other private colleges. Of course it's not great as compared to government colleges, but it's decent enough for private colleges, and if you just work hard you can just have a nice and decent enough placement in Thapar University. So, and of course if I talk about the campus is also great. We just lived there for around 1.25 months only, but we just enjoyed a lot, and they were quite one of the great moments of our lives as students, as we made great friends there and we enjoyed our freedom to the fullest. So that was great. So I hope you got some insights about Thapar University. Is it worth joining it? And of course it's totally your choice if you want to come or not. Of course, if you get some good government college, you should definitely go there. But if you're not getting any college, like if you are not getting any decent college or decent branch, you can just choose, and you just have to come to private college only, then Thapar University might be a great choice. So it's totally upon you, and I hope this video helped you. Subscribe and like the video, and also you can just follow me on Instagram. I also share useful content there as well, and also on Twitter I just share useful tweets there as well, apart from YouTube. So that was it for the video. Just stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.